Do you love the look of lash extensions but don't want to pay the price for lash extensions? I love a good lash look, but lashes can get expensive. So today I'm going to show you how to get the look for way less using these do-it-yourself lash extensions by GlamGlow Beauty Co. These lashes stay on for up to 2 weeks. You can sleep in them, get them wet, just like lash extensions, and they only take 10 minutes to apply. The first step is applying the bond. It goes on your real lashes just like mascara. Now you're going to apply some bond to the top of the lash cluster and apply the cluster where you did the mascara, under your lashes. This is going to help the lashes look a little more natural. Once you have all of your lashes applied, you're going to take the sealant and apply it in the same place underneath the lash. And that's it. Can you believe how easy that was? Now I just have to repeat on the other side. It takes me about 10 minutes to do both eyes, sometimes less, and saves me so much time in the morning. Waking up with your lashes done is a game changer. I don't have to mess with mascara or apply lash strips. Just a quick 10 minutes every couple of weeks, and it really helps simplify my everyday routine. And of course, I love the money I save by not paying for lash extensions. So if you want the look of lash extensions without spending the time and money on lash extensions, then you have to go grab this kit from GlamGlow Beauty Co.